5 basic hardware tools. Number 1. Hammer. A hammer is a hand tool typically used for driving nails into, or extracting nails from, various materials such as wood, metal, or masonry. It consists of a heavy head attached to a long handle, usually made of wood, metal, or fiberglass. The head of the hammer is often made of metal, such as steel, and features 2 primary parts, the striking face and the peen. Striking face: this is the flat, usually slightly rounded surface of the hammer head that makes direct contact with the nail or other object being struck. It is designed to deliver a powerful impact to drive the nail into the material. Peen: the peen is the opposite end of the hammer head from the striking face. It typically has a smaller, more pointed surface, and it's used for tasks such as shaping metal or striking objects like chisels or punches. The handle of the hammer provides leverage and grip for the user. It's essential that the handle is securely attached to the head to ensure safe and effective use of the tool. Handles may vary in length and material, with wooden handles being traditional but fiberglass and metal handles also being common for increased durability. There are many different types of hammers designed for specific tasks, such as claw hammers for driving and removing nails, ball peen hammers for shaping metal, and sledgehammers for heavy-duty tasks like demolition. The choice of hammer depends on the task at hand and the material being worked on. Number 2. Screwdriver. A screwdriver is a handheld tool designed for driving screws into various materials or removing them. It typically consists of a handle and a shaft ending in a tip that fits into the head of a screw. The most common types of screwdrivers include flathead, slotted, and Phillips, although there are many specialized types for specific applications. Flathead screwdriver. This type features a flat, straight tip that fits into the single slot of a flathead screw. It's used for general-purpose applications but may be prone to slipping if not properly aligned with the screw. Phillips screwdriver. Identified by its cross-shaped tip, the Phillips screwdriver is designed to fit into Phillips head screws, which have a corresponding cross-shaped indentation. It provides better torque transmission and reduces slippage compared to flathead screwdrivers. Other types. There are numerous other types of screwdrivers, including Torx, hex, square, and star, each tailored for specific screw types. For example, Torx screwdrivers have a star-shaped tip and are commonly used in electronics and automotive applications. Handle. Screwdriver handles come in various materials such as plastic, rubber, or wood, providing comfort and grip during use. Some handles have ergonomic designs to reduce hand fatigue and improve control. Shaft. The shaft of a screwdriver connects the handle to the tip and is typically made of hardened steel for durability. The length and diameter of the shaft vary depending on the screwdriver's intended use. Magnetic tips. Some screwdrivers feature magnetic tips to hold screws in place, preventing them from falling off during installation. Ratcheting screwdrivers. These screwdrivers have a mechanism that allows the handle to rotate freely in one direction while engaging the screw in the opposite direction, making it easier to drive or remove screws with less effort. Electric screwdrivers. Powered by electricity or batteries, electric screwdrivers automate the process of driving screws, making them ideal for repetitive tasks or applications requiring precision and speed. Manual versus powered. While manual screwdrivers are more common and versatile, powered screwdrivers offer convenience and speed, especially for large projects or assembly lines. Overall, screwdrivers are essential tools for any DIY enthusiast, professional tradesperson, or homeowner, facilitating the efficient installation and removal of screws in a wide range of applications. Number 3. Saws. Number 3. Saws. A saw blade refers to a flat, circular or straight cutting tool with teeth along its edge. It's primarily used to cut various materials like wood, metal, or plastic. Saw blades vary widely in size, tooth configuration, material, and application. Types of saw blades. Circular saw blades. These are typically used with handheld circular saws or table saws for straight or curved cuts in wood, metal, or plastic. Band saw blades. Continuous bands of metal with teeth along one edge, used in band saw machines for cutting curves or irregular shapes. Jigsaw blades. Narrow blades with teeth, used in jigsaws for cutting curves and intricate shapes. Reciprocating saw blades. Designed for reciprocating saws, used for demolition work, cutting through materials like wood, metal, and plastic. Miter saw blades. Specifically designed for miter saws, used for making accurate crosscuts and miter cuts in wood, typically used in framing or trim work. Scroll saw blades. Thin, fine blades used in scroll saws for intricate, detailed cuts in wood, plastic, or metal. Blade configuration. Tooth count. The number of teeth on a blade determines its cutting speed and finish. More teeth generally result in smoother cuts, while fewer teeth are better for faster cuts in thicker materials. Tooth shape. Different tooth shapes, such as ATB alternate top bevel, TCG triple chip grind, or TPI teeth per inch, are designed for specific materials and cutting applications. Material composition. Blades are made from various materials like high-speed steel, HSS, carbide-tipped, or bimetal, depending on the intended use. Carbide-tipped blades offer superior durability and cutting performance compared to traditional steel blades. Application. Saw blades are used in a wide range of applications, including woodworking, metalworking, construction, demolition, and DIY projects. Maintenance. Proper maintenance, including sharpening or replacing blades as needed, is crucial for optimal cutting performance and safety. Understanding the different types, configurations, and materials of saw blades is essential for selecting the right blade for specific cutting tasks and achieving the desired results. Number 4. Pliers. Pliers are hand tools used for gripping, bending, cutting, and manipulating various materials. They typically consist of two levers joined at a pivot point, with jaws at one end and handles at the other. The jaws can be flat, serrated, or rounded depending on their intended use. Here's a breakdown of the common types. Slip joint pliers. These have adjustable jaws, allowing them to grip objects of different sizes. They're versatile and commonly used for gripping and turning nuts and bolts. Needle nose pliers. These have long, slender jaws that taper to a point, making them ideal for reaching into tight spaces and gripping small objects or wires. Diagonal cutting pliers. Wire cutters. These have sharp, angled jaws designed for cutting wires, cables, and other materials. They're commonly used in electrical work and for cutting zip ties. Linesman pliers. These have a gripping jaw at the base and a cutting jaw closer to the pivot point. They're often used by electricians for gripping, twisting, bending, and cutting wires. Locking pliers. Vice grip. These have adjustable jaws that can be locked into position, allowing them to securely grip objects without requiring continuous pressure from the user. They're useful for clamping and holding objects in place. Tongue and groove pliers. Channel locks. These have serrated jaws that can be adjusted to various widths using multiple positions on the pivot point. They're commonly used for plumbing tasks and gripping irregularly shaped objects. Pliers are essential tools in various industries, including construction, automotive repair, electrical work, and crafting. When using pliers, it's important to select the right type for the task at hand and to use them safely to avoid injury or damage to materials. Number 5. Wrench. A wrench is a hand tool designed to provide a mechanical advantage in turning bolts, nuts, and other fasteners. It typically consists of a handle and a head with jaws that grip the fastener. Wrenches come in various types and sizes, each suited for specific applications. Types of wrenches. Open-end wrench. Features two parallel jaws with different sizes on each end. Combination wrench. Combines an open end and a box end wrench in one tool. Adjustable wrench. Has a movable jaw, allowing it to fit different sizes of nuts and bolts. Socket wrench. Uses interchangeable sockets to fit various sizes of fasteners. Box end wrench. Encloses the fastener on all sides, providing better grip and torque transmission. Allen wrench. Hex key used for tightening or loosening hexagonal socket screws. Torque wrench. Allows precise tightening of fasteners to a specific torque level, important for sensitive applications. Pipe wrench. Designed for gripping and turning pipes and cylindrical objects. Adjustable spanner. Crescent wrench. Similar to an adjustable wrench but with a wider jaw opening. Materials. Wrenches are commonly made of steel or alloy steel, which provides strength and durability. Some wrenches may have additional coatings like chrome plating for corrosion resistance. Applications. Wrenches are indispensable tools in automotive repair, machinery maintenance, plumbing, construction, and many other industries where fasteners need to be tightened or loosened. Usage. When using a wrench, it's essential to select the right size and type for the fastener to avoid damaging both the tool and the fastener. Proper technique involves applying force steadily and avoiding excessive force to prevent rounding off the fastener's edges. Safety. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as gloves and eye protection, when using wrenches. Additionally, be mindful of your surroundings and any potential hazards. Overall, wrenches are versatile tools with a wide range of applications, making them essential